right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna do a video about how you can translate any PDF file to the language that you wish. As you know, I'm involved with the Daisy AI crowdfunding project, and if you, for example, you want to do a Zoom call, and if you want to translate, we have the most of the PDF files are in English or in another language and not in Dutch. My primary language is Dutch, and I'm gonna show you how you can translate any PDF file in whatever language that you want. So let's dive into it. First of all, I'm gonna show you the document. Let me grab it. Here you have it, and as you can see, this one is in Russian. And we want to translate this Russian PDF in Dutch or in English, whatever. Let's do it in English. I'm gonna close that. So what are we gonna do now? We're gonna go to a free online translator. Here we are, and in fact it's very, very simple. There are a lot of ads here on this website, but anyway, you can use the website for free. Here you have it. You have a document translator here. Translate, convert a PDF to Word, convert PDF to JPG. Here you can split the PDF, and here you can also compress images. But let's say I'm gonna open this one. I think that's a splitted one. I'm gonna show it first with one that I splitted. So let's grab the splitted one, and then we go to translator. Let's click on it. We're gonna scroll a little bit under, and here you have it. If you click here, you can upload the file, or you can drag. If you have it on your desktop, you drag the PDF file, and here you release, and you wait a little bit. Here we have some security things to check out. Here we are. Let me close this one. And now we're gonna do it. Here you have it. It's detected in Russian, and we want to translate it in Dutch. Here you have the different languages that you can translate, but we're gonna leave it like that. And we're gonna translate this splitted PDF file into Dutch. Let's wait a little bit. And now the PDF file must be here. And then you click here on download your translated document. And here we have another ad. Here you have it. We're gonna put it on our desktop. Okay. And now here we have the PDF file. Let me check. I'm gonna click on it. Here it is in Dutch. So as you can see, it's very easy to do. Let me close that. Oh, let me open this one. It's a little bit weird here. I'm gonna do it like that. So I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna do another one. I have also the PDF. Let me close that. I have also the PDF of Daisy Liquid. Let me show it to you. Here you have it. This one is a little bit smaller PDF. I guess you don't have to split this one, but let me go up. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna put it on my desktop. Very funny here. Anyway, let's leave it like that. But if we want to translate another one, you click on translate. And now we're gonna grab the liquid PDF, as you can see here. Liquid, we're gonna drop it. Security check. Traffic lights, okay. Motorcycle. Let me do it like that. Verify, okay. And now you're gonna see here, it's gonna detect the language. We're gonna wait a little bit. Let me close that. He said it's in English, and I suppose it's in English. And now we're gonna click on translate. And we're gonna wait a little bit. Here you're gonna see preparing to download, 59%. And here you have it. And then you click here on download your translated document. I'm gonna click on it. We're gonna put it on our desktop one more time. And here we have the PDF in Dutch of the liquid of Daisy. So as you can see here, we have the PDF file in Dutch. It's a small PDF file, so you can do it in, you can upload it right away, and then you have the PDF file in Dutch. Sometimes you need to edit a little bit, but in my opinion, it is good. If you want to edit a little bit the PDF file, you can put it in Canva, and there you can edit the PDF file. So as you can see, very simple to do. Let me close that. And if you want to split here, you can split. I'm going to click on it to show you. For example, you have a big file. You can split the file first. Here. Oh, that's an ad. Here you have it. Split PDF online. You just click here, and then you can split your file. Here, you drag and drop your file here, or you upload the file. So yeah, and then you split the file. Anyway, I hope this video was a little bit helpful. In my opinion, it's very helpful. So as you can see here, we have the liquid PDF that I just translated it to Dutch. You can do it in another language, the language of your choice, of your country, or whatever. Anyway, what else would I show you also today? Oh, one of my friends uploaded a video of Daisy AI of the calculator, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Here you have my link of Daisy AI. Let's click on it. We're gonna wait a little bit till the website is uploaded. Let me have a little bit of water. we are. And here we have the true story of Daisy video. Here we have the told you so highlights of the event that took place in Dubai. Very important here. Let me here, the momentum packs starts at tier 3 now. So, and it will be till May the 31 of 2023. Very important. Before you could buy momentum packs at tier 5, and now they reduced it to tier 3. And what I want to show also is the video. Here we have the video of the calculator, a very educative video. I'm gonna click on it. Here you have it, and you can translate the video. For example, if you want to translate the video in whatever language you want, you just click here. Then you click on that little wheel here. Now you're going to see here it's in French, but if you want to change it in another language, you click on the French and then automatic translate. Let me scroll up. And here you have the different languages that you can use. Let me see. Let me do it in Arabic. And now we're gonna play a little bit the video. Let me close that. Let's wait a little bit.
Salut et bienvenue sur cette vidéo. Alors sur cette vidéo, je vais vous proposer un outil très sympathique. Il s'agit d'un calculateur de gains sur Daisy. Donc sur Daisy le Forex, sur Daisy la crypto, mais également...
Et voilà, vous avez le vidéo dans votre langue que vous préférez. You have the video in the language that you want. If you just click here on the undertitling, then you click here on the undertitling, then you click on the little wheel. Now you're going to see it's in French, Arabic. We're going to click one more time here, and then you click on automatic translate, and you choose the language that you want. Let me say in Chinese. And I'm gonna play it one more time just to show you.
Sur le parrainage. Alors il est vraiment super pratique. Je crois que c'est la 4e ou la 5e version puisqu'il a eu des erreurs. Voilà, donc je vous explique comment ça fonctionne. Avec ça, vous pouvez projeter vos gains sur 5 ans. Donc,
so as you can see, very simple to do. Yeah, I'm gonna leave a link under the video about how you can translate. Yeah, the site of the translation section, and I'm gonna leave also a link where you can go to the calculator. Anyway, I want to thank you to watch. If you feel this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, like the video, and comment in the comment box. And if you have questions, same story, leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you in one of my next videos. Bye for now. Robert, Belgium. God bless you all.